Hey, did you know there's a gesture so simple, so basic that it can literally make a woman melt on the inside in just a matter of seconds? The best part is you don't need to be the best looking guy. You don't need money. You don't need clever lines or cheap seduction tricks. It's something much deeper, much more authentic, and surprisingly underused by most men. Today, I'm going to reveal exactly what that gesture is, why it works so incredibly well from both a scientific and emotional perspective, how to recognize when she's responding to it, and most importantly, how to do it naturally without it feeling staged or forced. But before we dive in, if you're enjoying the video so far, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel while turning on the bell. Engagement question: where are you watching from? Never miss any content that helps you level up in your relationships. Tell me in the comments which country and city you're watching this video from. And also, do you really believe a single gesture can spark something so powerful in a woman? I'd love to read your opinion. It really helps build this community. The most common mistake men make: the vast majority of men think they need to impress a woman with brilliant words, achievements, witty jokes, or status demonstrations. But the reality is completely different. A woman's body reacts way before her mind does. We're talking milliseconds. Her nervous system has been wired through thousands of years of evolution to detect intentions, energies, and emotions almost instantly. That's why a woman can meet someone and within seconds already have a clear feeling: I feel safe. He gives me trust. There's something here, or the complete opposite. She can't always explain it, but she feels it. That ability isn't magic. It's biology. This is exactly where the gesture I want to talk about today comes in. When she perceives authenticity plus security plus genuine intention, an emotional switch flips that she can't consciously control. Her natural defenses drop. What I call an emotional opening is created. The melting gesture involves three key elements. It's not just one thing. It's the precise combination that creates a massive impact. 1. The slow and deliberate approach. Not moving like a turtle, but approaching with purpose without rushing. This gives her nervous system time to process your presence and get comfortable with your energy. On a subconscious level, this communicates self-control. A man who doesn't rush in a romantically charged moment is clear in intention, but not impulsive, showing respect for her emotional state. 2. Pulled gaze plus firm yet soft eye contact. Find the perfect balance. It's not an intense predator stare, nor a shy or avoidant look. It's a gaze that says, I'm here with you in this moment, and I don't need anything from you. The difference between a melting gaze and an uncomfortable one lies in intention. Look to share the moment, to be present. 3. Secure silence. Most men fall apart here, panicking at a second of silence and filling it with noise. But well-handled silence is magnetic. It's full of presence, confidence, and connection. You're saying without words, I'm comfortable with myself and I'm comfortable with you. Why is this combination so effective? The science. The slow approach activates her parasympathetic nervous system: relaxation, connection, safety. Moving too fast triggers her sympathetic system: alert mode, fight or flight. The soft, present gaze releases oxytocin, the hormone of bonding and trust. Secure silence creates positive vulnerability, giving her space to feel what's happening without interruptions. Clear signs that it's working: a slight, internal smile that appears for no reason. Longer eye contact with softer, more receptive eyes. Unconscious touches, like her hair, lips, or neck. Moving her body closer or removing physical barriers. Voice softening, becoming more melodic and warm. Open posture. Her physiological responses are almost impossible to fake. How to apply it naturally. Don't turn it into a performance. Women can spot manipulation from a mile away. Start from a place of genuine presence. Do it because you're truly enjoying the moment, not to get something. Move calmly, look without seeking approval, and embrace the silence. The more comfortable you are with silence, the more powerful the moment becomes. Final reflection. This gesture that melts a woman isn't a seduction trick or manipulative technique. It's the natural expression of a man comfortable in his own skin, who doesn't need external validation, can offer presence and security without asking for anything in return, and knows how to create intimacy without invading. When you develop that quality of presence, it changes your interactions with women and your entire life. The next time you're with a woman you're interested in, remember, it's not about conquering, it's about offering a safe space where she can be vulnerable. Want to go deeper? Drop a comment saying, I master this gesture, and tell me which of the three elements, slow approach, soft gaze, or secure silence, you find hardest to apply. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe to the channel for real masculinity and lasting connection, and turn on the bell so you get more content like this. We're building a community of men improving through authenticity, not manipulation. Thanks for being here. See you in the next video. Big hug. Take care.